Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on really quick to do a tutorial on my 3x3 ghost note card. So this is it here. So I've had a few people reach out um, about putting it together. So super easy. So in the die set, you will get this piece right here. So this is your base piece. Then you will get this layering piece here, the stitched layering piece. And then you will also get this boo, the layering piece, and then the boo. And you will get these bows. So you have a large and a small. And you also get, let me pull one out, of course, the ghost. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I put mine together. Of course, how you decorate it is totally up to you. So when you cut it out, you're going to end up with this, okay? So this is the outside. So you're going to fold the bottom up, and then you're going to fold this down. So you can see this is the shape of the ghost, okay? And then this is the ghost. I've already got my pieces cut out. So this is the ghost, and the ghost is going to line up with that there. So this is going to be your note card. So basically it's a trifold note card to where you don't necessarily have to have like an envelope, because it just trifolds up. So we are going to start layering these pieces. So I've got a few cut outs. I'm just using this 31 collection. And I think that's the last Halloween collection I bought. I take that back. I have a few pieces of the Luna, but I don't get to craft Halloween that much. It's just the time. So I've got these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, so this is going to be my outside, okay? So I'm going to put a piece here, okay? So where's my glue? Oh, I think I hid my glue behind all my mess. I did. Okay. So we're just going to glue this down. Come down a little bit. So this is just the layering piece. Okay. So if this is going to go up, then I want these spiders to be like this. And if you have, directional paper, you want to be, make sure you put it the right way. Okay. So when you fold it up, then that spider's coming down. And I still might have did it upside down. I think I still did it upside down. But y'all paying more attention than me. So let's just get this layering piece. And you don't have to layer the back. I mean, these layering pieces is totally optional. But we're just going to finish it off since we're doing this. Okay. So now this is your outside. Okay, so when you fold it up and then you fold it down. So on the inside, I've got this little, it's like a orangey coral, but it goes really well with the 31 collection, because you know how it has that light colored orange in it. So I am just going to put it here. So if you're just doing like quick and simple little note cards, you could just do just like this. You don't have to layer this piece. You can just write your little note there. But I'm going to go ahead and finish it off, because what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put the boo on the inside of my card instead of the outside. The first set that I made, I'll get that in just a minute and show you, because I did like a whole set. So this is the inside, and then that's the outside. Okay, so we're going to get, now it does make it a little bit thicker when you do layer, you know, both on the inside, but it's not too thick that it's not going to close. And we're going to use a piece of Velcro. So I've got my ghost, and this is kind of like a that crushed velvet type paper that I usually get from BB Crafts, and I just love it so much. And it was perfect for this little ghost. Okay. And the it's adhesive. It's like an adhesive back. Oh, pull that off. So this is going to line up here. You could pop this ghost on foam to give it more dimension if you want to. I mean, hey, you can do whatever you want. And the eyelashes are like this, but I pulled that too hard and I kind of broke one, but that's okay. So now we have this. Now this is the boo once it's put together. So you have your boo, and then you have your bows. Now these small bows is to layer on top of that boo right there. So you have a bow on that bee. This larger one is to layer on top of your ghost. So what I'm going to do, I'm thinking I'm going to put this boo, I think I'm going to put it on the, you could put it anywhere. You could put it here or here. If I would have had a different background than black, I probably would have put it here. But I'm just going to put it right here. Just kind of simple. And that's why I kept it flat. I didn't do any kind of foam because I was thinking I was going to put it on the inside. So it will be, you know, kind of flat. So when the person opens the little note card, it's going to say boo. And then you can write your little notes there. So that is cute. So going around, I've already got my little bow made. And I did put this bow on some foam to give it dimension. And we are going to, I'm going to put a pretty good amount of glue because this is foam going on top of this little crushed velvet. Okay. So that's going to be that. So there you go. There is the card. And then we can, let's see. I got some little black Velcro dots over here. So we're going to get these. And we're going to put these on here. Let's see. It don't really matter where, but we're going to put it somewhere right there. Okay. Y'all, I meant to take my finger up. Y'all, excuse my finger. I got something going on with my nail, and I meant to cover it up, and I forgot. So I apologize. So I'm gonna put that right there. Put a little dots, and then we'll close it up like this, and just let that Velcro dot dry. And then you could come in if you want to. I've got a few flowers over here, so you could put a few flowers here. You could even put it on the tail of the ghost and then pull it up. So I'm not sure. I may try to do, yeah, that, I don't like that pink. I might just try to do some smaller ones. Yeah, that ain't gonna go. With maybe some smaller ones. But I really like this color here. But I don't have any small. But that is how you put, see, I'm gonna have to, that's that trying to glue to this velvet, that crushed velvet. So that's gonna have to really sit. So let me see. This is the first set that I made. Now this is a coordinating box. Currently it is sold out, but I'm going to put it back in stock, but it may not come with the ghost because this box also came with a ghost. Not this ghost. It was another ghost. Let's see if I have it. It was just a mirrored ghost. Yeah, this ghost here. See, this ghost, I already had these cut out when I put this together, so I used it. But this box originally came with the mirrored ghost. So I know I'm going to put the box back in stock, but I don't know about if it'll have this ghost. I may just do flowers or something. I'm not sure. But I really like the box because it holds your 3x3s. So anyway, that's the box. But these are the ones that I made the first go around. So I put my boo on the outside. And I just layered the inside. I didn't even layer the outside. This is like a textured paper. So I only layered the insides on these. And I used everything on the outside. So I did all of these the same in different colors. And then they all will fit in the little box. But I wanted to come on and show how this was put together. I still have some of these available if you're interested in my shop, HappyCrafterShop.com. I will have the link in the description box. And yeah, so you can just put it together and decorate it however you want. And like I said, all this layering is totally optional. So that's the Velcro dot there. And there it is. So I kind of like the boo on the inside. I like it on the outside. So it is totally up to you. So there you go. I thank you all for watching. And I will see you on the next video.